Today we're going to be learning about cells and your body is made up of cells. Cells are so small you have to use a special microscope, not even a normal microscope, to see cells. So today we're going to be going through the concept of cells and what actually cells are by the Curious Cosmos. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living things. The human body is composed of trillions of cells. They provide structure for the body, takes in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Cells also contain the body's hereditary materials and can make copies of themselves. The two primary types of cells: prokaryotic cells. These are simpler, smaller cells that lack a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in organisms like bacteria and archaea. Eukaryotic cells. These cells have a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. They are found in more complex organisms like plants, animals, fungi, and protists. See, I think you can relate to this for the Year 7 curriculum. I'm trying my best to relate the videos I am making to the curriculum, and I'm trying my best, so just please appreciate that. Eukaryotic cells are more complex and have various concepts: cell membrane, plasma membrane, a semi-permeable membrane that surrounds the cell, controlling what enters and leaves the cell. Nucleus contains the cell's genetic material, also known as DNA. I think you might have heard that before. It's surrounded by the nuclear envelope and is the control of the center for cell activities. Cytoplasm. It's a jelly-like substance inside the cell that holds organelles in place and is involved in cellular processes. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria generate energy, also known as ATP, through cellular respiration. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse, endoplasmic reticulum, also known as ER. There are two types: rough ER, studded with ribosomes and involved in protein synthesis; smooth ER, involved in lipid synthesis, detoxification, and carbohydrate metabolism. Ribosomes, small structures that synthesize proteins. They can be found free floating in cytoplasm or attached to the rough ER. Just a second. Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids for transport out of the cell to another organelles. Lysosomes contains enzymes. Contains enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. Cytoskeleton, a network of protein filaments and tubercles that give the cell its shape, enables movement, and helps with the intracellular cellular transport. Vacuoles, larger storage organelles in plastic cells that store water, nutrients, or waste products. Animal cells may have smaller vacuoles. Chloroplasts, in plant cells, organelles that carry out photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy and producing glucose. Cells are involved in many vital processes, including metabolism, the chemical reactions that occur within a cell to maintain life. This includes both anabolic building up and catabolic breaking down processes. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes read the genetic information from DNA and assemble proteins, which are essential for cell structure and function. Cell signaling. Cells communicate with each other via chemical signals, hormones, neurotransmitters to regulate processes like growth, immune response, and homeostasis. Reproduction. Cells reproduce to ensure the continuation of life. This happens through mitosis or meiosis. Homeostasis, the process by which cells maintain a stable internal environment like temperature, pH, and ionic balance, even as external conditions change. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked the video, and please subscribe so I can upload more and more revisional and educational videos. Thank you for listening. Bye.